You know what I found mind-blowing? The way the OpenAI API handles retries. Like, it automatically retries certain errors.
Oh wow, really? That's fascinating. What kind of errors does it retry?
Well, it retries on connection errors, timeouts, and even rate limits. It's built into the system.
That's wild. So it's basically trying to ensure you get the response you need without the hassle of manual retries.
Exactly, and I love that it handles those retries automatically. Can you imagine if every API did that?
Yeah, it'd save developers so much headache, and it shows a real understanding of how APIs can fail.
Right. But here's where it gets really interesting. There's a limit to how many times it retries.
Aha, so there's a balance. Too many retries could just clog things up, I guess.
Exactly. It defaults to 2 retries, but you can adjust that if needed.
That makes a lot of sense. It's like setting a safety net without it becoming a safety hazard.
Totally. And speaking of safety nets, there's also a timeout feature.
Oh, what does that do?
Requests time out after 10 minutes by default, but you can customize that too.
Wow, so you can adjust how long the API will wait for a response? That's pretty flexible.
Right? And it makes me think about just how adaptable these systems can be.
Wait, that's a game changer for handling high-load situations.
Exactly. Imagine trying to get a response and it just hangs forever. This way you know when to give up.
That gives me chills. It's like a smart GPS that knows when to reroute instead of just following the road.
Yes, and there's even this feature where you can use different fetch options.
Fetch options, like setting custom headers or timeouts.
Exactly. You can tailor your requests based on whatever your app needs.
That makes dealing with legacy systems a lot easier too, like bridging old tech with the new.
Totally. It's like having that bridge that keeps communication flowing smoothly.
And what about handling errors? I hear it has some interesting ways to deal with that too.
Oh yes, it throws specific error types based on the issue, like bad request error or authentication error.
That's super helpful. Like, it gives you clarity on what went wrong without wading through muck.
Exactly. And each object response has a request ID, which is gold for debugging.
Smart. That's a great way to track and debug requests. Makes identifying issues a breeze.
Right? And this whole approach is so comforting when you're building something complex, right?
It's reassuring to have such robust error handling in your toolkit.
And the best part, you can even access the raw response data.
Oh, that's neat. So you can dig even deeper into what's coming back?
Yes, it lets you explore headers and all sorts of other info.
So if I needed detailed insights, I could get them right from the API.
Exactly. It's about having the power to customize your experience.
Wow, this API really seems to think of everything.
It really does. And that makes me wonder, how might this shape the future of API development?
Good question. It could lead to more robust, less frustrating user experiences all around.
Right? The more friendly and adaptable our technology is, the better.
Exactly. It's like creating a seamless digital world through smarter APIs.
Totally. And that's just exciting to think about. Where do we even go from here?
I guess we keep pushing the limits of what's possible and keep evolving.
Yes, always evolving. But here's a thought. Are we ready for that kind of evolution?
That's a deep question. I think we need to be prepared for both challenges and opportunities.
Absolutely, and that makes the journey even more thrilling.
For sure. I can't wait to see how it all unfolds.
Me too. Learning this stuff is just the beginning.